This is the second live stream on my 3 broken camels. And last live stream, we just tear down it and we find the UART. We also try to power on the device, and the two of them works, and one of it are almost being teared down. And so today's main work is investigate this tear down the PCB. And the main work I think that is to connect TTL to my computer to see what's happened and what output. And today I don't want to use a traditional serial program. I just want to use AI to help me investigate. So let's see if this workflow works. And let's begin. So first thing I need to assemble two boards. The first one is the main board, and we need to connect to this power so we can have power. We use this cable to connect each other. Before we power on, we need to connect our TTL and it will connect to my MacBook. And I think this USB to TTL adapter works for my computer. So my codecs already help me confirm it can detect. So we need the yellow one is, oh no, okay. The blue one is ground. This blue one is ground. So we connect to the ground. And the green one is from my adapter part is receive. So we need to connect to the board to transfer. And the yellow one is transfer from my adapter, a USB adapter. So we need to connect to the receiver on my camera board. So, okay, well, I think we need to adjust it. So make sure it not to the ground, not short to the ground. Okay, I think this may works. And then I need let my AI ready. The next, I will connect this TTL adapter to my camera's UART. So make sure you understand and we are ready to this. And I will um, I will let you know when I power on my camera. So after ready, you need to monitor before I power on. So you can see the serial ports output maybe is about Linux, about the U-boot. Okay, power on. What's happening? So AI don't give me a uh, leave output. I already power on. Okay, I think we need some manually work. And this time we need try this one. TTL CU CU USB and by default nothing. Oh, nothing happened. To make sure that um, our power on. So I think we can connect the IR. So IR, I think the most of the time it works. So I power on, and it has a switch action, so we can confirm the power successfully apply. Nothing, nothing. What happened? Okay, so we must use our multimeter. So we see, okay, we can see the power, but nothing, um, no UART output, no, nothing happened. So make sure before we do the next step, I want to confirm um, if it's our UART's connection issue. So we need to try again to make sure our connection is okay. No lucky, I think. So next step, I think is check the power supply. And so this is ground of course, zero volume voltage. And zero three, we can check the power nearby the main chip. Okay, we can see this one is 3.3, so 3.31. And we detect 5 voltage. 5, 5, 3, 3. That way, the power chip almost works is convert the voltage. So it should have input and output. So I'm not sure which pin is for output. I think we need to detect if the output is normal, not the input. And we don't have schematic, so detect the power is more difficult. Okay. So let's see. So now the possible reason is that this converter itself broken. Uh, I can even test. I can try. I got an idea to confirm if the TTL adapter works. So we can um, give some random noise transfer. Nothing. Okay, we can test directly. So we need the file volume, voltage, file, and receive. Receive is green. So noise, noise network, noise. I think the possible reason is that uh, the adapter itself has problem. I'm not sure. Nothing happened. I don't think the speed setup really matters. I think we need to let AI help me confirm. So it looks like the camera no serial output. So I need to confirm if it's our TTL adapter's problem or the camera totally broken, totally don't start. So help me do that. And an idea is that I try to um, connect the power pin and to the receive pin on my adapter to um, do to add some random signal to see if the serial port has some output, but nothing happened. Okay, the suggest is to add. So we need to connect the receive and transfer. Receive green and transfer yellow. Your turn. So then we close our Emacs. Okay, I already connected TX and RX pins. Okay, so it suggests as a voltage switch, you need to switch to uh, already 3.3 voltage. And I will try to connect, direct connect. We can try direct connect to RX from RX to TX. Try again, please. So I can see this adapter's LED, and I can see maybe the TX side's LED key flash, and the receive side LED don't flash. So I think uh, this adapter have problem. Pass. Okay. AI say the adapter is working. Okay. So we need to simplify it. We need just two wires, ground and receive. To test. Ground is green. Ground. Okay. Remember? Power up. Okay, I realized our ground. So we connect it to this hole as ground. So the connection is more stable. And transfer. Okay, we can try again. Okay, monitor please. I will plug in. Okay, let's see what happened. And today I don't want to use a serial client. Okay, try again. By the way, this serial port just like a normal computer's monitor screen, but the output is just to send to the TTL or UART. So they are the same. They are all send text, send and receive text, and the UART to uh, use TTL to uh, interact, and monitor use keyboard and screen. So they are the same. Power circle. Okay, power circle. I think that um, we need to give AI our camera's model. So let AI to confirm if um, we could find more things. Happy 3. Mhm. As AI investigate, so we can manually confirm this. Several term CU USB. Okay, by default. Power on, nothing. And we can touch the main chip. Um, it don't even has slight hotter. So I think um, it don't start successfully. Even even you boot do not start successfully. That's right. No problem. Okay, I think today we must stop here because um, we don't have more equipment to research others, such as the capacitor. Or we can try, because we have no components to replace to confirm. So this camera don't boot. Usually, I think the power supply is normal. Maybe not. I'm not sure. And it don't even start U-boot. So that's all. Okay, I don't want to waste too much time. Okay, let's